Are you stuck with the Xbox error E208? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the easiest and most effective ways to fix it, whether you are on Xbox One, Series S or Series X. Let's get started. First, try a quick soft reset. Hold down the Xbox power button on your console for 10 seconds until it shuts off. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Sometimes this clears temporary glitches causing the E208 error. If that doesn't work, the issue might be with the corrupted system update. You'll need to perform an offline system update on your PC. Download the Xbox offline system update file from Microsoft's official website. Copy it to a USB drive formatted as NTFS. Plug the USB into your Xbox. Boot into the troubleshoot menu by holding the bind plus eject buttons, then pressing power. Select offline system update. This reinstalls the system software and usually fixes the E208 error. If the error still appears, your last option is a factory reset. From the troubleshoot menu, choose reset this Xbox. You will see two options. Keep games and apps safer. It is safer, keeps your data. Remove everything. This will remove everything, only use if nothing else works. Warning, this will erase your console settings, so use it as a last resort. And that's it. Your Xbox should now be free from the E208 error and running smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to help other gamers.